Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious carrot smoothie. First, gather your fresh ingredients like carrots, fruit, and a liquid base. Next, prepare everything by washing and chopping. Finally, blend until smooth and creamy for a nutritious and refreshing drink. It's a simple process that yields a fantastic result. For your smoothie, you'll need about 2 to 3 medium carrots, peeled and trimmed. A ripe banana adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture. For the liquid base, use 1/2 cup of orange juice or water. You can also enhance the flavor with a small piece of fresh ginger or a pinch of cinnamon. Start by thoroughly washing and peeling your carrots. Then, chop them into manageable 1-inch pieces to ensure easy blending. Place the chopped carrots, banana, and your chosen liquid into a high-speed blender. Blend on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. For a colder, thicker smoothie, feel free to add a few ice cubes before blending. You can adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your preferred consistency. If you desire extra sweetness, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Serve your fresh carrot smoothie immediately to enjoy its vibrant flavor and nutrients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.